with Chef Ricardo back in the kitchen one more time with your dishes, guys. Lovely dishes and amazing dishes, drinks, food, everything, you name it. And you also can claim it. Remember, Christmas is coming up very soon and we got a lot of recipe for Christmas. We start to put out some Christmas tips already and there's more to come. Enjoy the recipe, subscribe to the channel, and remember to get a copy of my cooking book online from Amazon, and it's the best price ever in this world. We love you. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Nice and lovely. Welcome back again. One more time in the kitchen again with the cooking show, guys. We are showing you tips and ideas how you can get your meat ready before Christmas. Christmas is a few days away and we are getting our meat ready. Right here I have some ribs. We're gonna prepare some ribs for our Christmas dinner also. So basically I just washed off my ribs and this is it right here. And I'm gonna show you how to marinate up your ribs and get it ready. Christmas Day, all you need to do is just put it straight inside of the oven. Some people boil it off, but you can do it in the oven if you do like. Some people season their water and boil it off, but there's different kind of ways you can do your ribs, guys. You can put it in your oven and foil it, and it still cook a perfect way how you want it to cook. All right, but we're gonna show you how to marinate such a nice, lovely barbecue ribs for your Christmas. Lovely recipe. Hopefully this will be a benefit to you and you and your family will have a wonderful time. First thing what you need to do, make sure you have some barbecue seasoning, which you're gonna put a large tablespoon. This is a tablespoon I'm putting in at the moment. That's barbecue seasoning, alright? Lovely. Make sure you have barbecue seasoning. It's very important for this one. Second thing, we're gonna add some paprika. Paprika is really good, paprika. So we're gonna put a tablespoon. Alright, lovely and nice. That's a tablespoon of the paprika. I got some coriander and garlic seasoning. And a pinch of all-purpose seasoning. All-purpose seasoning got a lot of salt. You have to be careful with it. This is a bad boy which I'm using at the moment. Really good. This is my browning season I normally use for my meat. It's really good. So I'm gonna pop roughly a teaspoon of it on it. Alright, just to get color, because you don't want your meat to too. Alright, so I put a teaspoon of that on it. Beautiful. Get a nice lovely color from it. You can't go wrong, guys, seriously. Next thing we're gonna add just a pinch of oil. Alright, and this is olive oil. Second thing, some honey. We're gonna add some honey, roughly 2 tablespoons of honey. Nice and lovely. Next thing, was I said that chef are crazy. How am I going with? Brown sugar. That's a teaspoon of brown sugar. Alright. Well, I'm gonna use, you know what I mean, I went to the shop today and I decided to do a little changes to my cooking, and I say, you know what, I'm gonna do some reggae barbecue sauce. Here it is right here. Here it is right. I'm gonna use this one today. Basically. And the chicken. And the ribs. Sorry guys. All of this one bottle of sauce I'm using. Alright. Nice and lovely. Then next thing, some ketchup. Roughly a tablespoon of ketchup, be alright for it. use gloves and marinate your meat, guys. So look at this now. You see the brownie where I use? It's supposed to give it a nice look, alright? And that's why I put a teaspoon of browning. But as you can see exactly what I'm talking about. The browning which I did use, and it's supposed to give it a next look. Because I know what Chef Ricardo knows what he's doing. And that's why I put a teaspoon of browning. Because this is something where I did all the time. So I know the browning do give it a nice, lovely color. So as you can see, this is a tips and idea how you can get your meat ready for this Christmas, guys. We ahead before anything kick off, alright? So right here, this is the barbecue ribs, and this is the way how you can get your barbecue ribs ready, marinated and thing. Look at that. You see? Beautiful. It's a browning do the makes a little different also inside of it. Give it a nice lovely dark color, and that's what you're looking for. It'll be a nice lovely barbecue ribs like this. So basically, guys, pop them inside of a frozen bag like this. Hopefully everything can hold in the bag. That means everything will be soaked together and marinate together. Alright, no salt. If you notice, nothing where I'm using, there's no salt I'm been using on anything because I banned salt on my show. Someone said why I did that. Salt is not good for you, guys. Everything has salt, even water has salt. Alright, so if you are cooking, you don't need to use salt in your cooking because everything already has salt in it. Look at that. That is so beautiful and nice. So what we're gonna do now, let's get me one of this sauce out of this tub. Right straight inside of it like that. So what me now, if anything sour, the sugar will kill it with it and the honey. Nice and lovely. So guys, enjoy the recipe. All you need to do is just pop this in the fridge or in the freezer if you're gonna use it the next day. Basically you can freeze it and use it next month. Write the date and the label it up, guys. Write what item inside of the bag and put it in the freezer, and you can freeze it for 2 months or 1 month. Enjoy the recipe and see you next time. Bye bye.